If you're searching for the absolute best noise-canceling headphones, the Sony WH-1000XM5 is it for 2025. Imagine silencing the world around you, whether it's a bustling commute or a busy office, with unparalleled clarity. These wireless headphones create a truly immersive audio experience, letting you focus purely on your music or work without distraction. And with an incredible 30-hour battery life, your music won't quit before you do, perfect for long flights or marathon listening sessions. Seamlessly switch between your laptop and phone thanks to the clever multi-point connection, making multitasking effortless and efficient. This isn't just about features. It's about the freedom and peace these Sony headphones bring to your daily life. For those looking to upgrade their audio setup, these are truly the best noise-canceling headphones you can buy. Ready to experience this amazing sound? Find the best deals and current pricing by clicking the Amazon link in the description below. The Sony WH-1000XM5 offers unmatched performance, comfort, and intelligent features that redefine premium audio. Seriously, if you want the ultimate listening experience this year, these are absolutely worth it.